can't even believe I'm saying this, you guys, but welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who have been here since day one, thanks for having some patience and sticking around. Those of you who don't know me, my name is Jamie Swan, formerly Jamie Swan Beauty here on YouTube. My channel's roots started with makeup and evolved into hair tutorials. I am a cosmetologist, and that's kind of where this whole channel branched off from. In 2021, we moved. We had our fifth baby, and you know, COVID happened. So a lot of things changed in a really quick hurry. I had a plan to sort of change my channel and go down a path of wellness. Little did I know that I had a ton to learn. I had blinders ripped off my eyes, and I was seeing the world through a whole different lens after my last video. And I kept feeling like I wanted to share my journey. I really wanted to share where things were going, but I kept having this sort of a voice that was saying, not right now. It's not the time. Now's the time for learning and growth, and soon you will share. But I just kept feeling the silence. And right before Christmas 2024, I had this sort of a reigniting of a fire inside of me, and I was praying on it and sort of asking for guidance on how this was all going to look and how this was all going to pan out, and was this actually the time, and how was I going to make this work with life now, and how much I've changed, because I'm not the same person I was 4 years ago. And all of these ideas kept coming to me as I kept praying. It's just so cool, and I can't wait to share all the things that I have planned. By the title, my channel will be taking a pivot, how my beauty routines have changed from throwing out half the stuff that's useless and just a trend on social media to buying every product and cut creases and just all the trends, to the basics and the things that you really don't even need, that you're just marketed to, and the stuff that you can be making yourself cheap and way better for your skin. Also going to be talking about like what you put into your body and onto your body, and how that is going to be like investing in yourself long term to live the fullest life you can and take it all in. And that's the stuff that matters, not your perfectly cut eyeshadow crease and stuff like that. And I've always considered myself a spiritual person. I have always believed in God, talked to God, prayed to God, especially after my mom passed away. But it was more in the sense of like what I would call new age. That's what I would refer to it now, where I like did smudging and believed in the powers of crystals and went to mediums and did Reiki and all of that kind of thing, because I always thought the Bible was like a little bit judgy that way, and this was just a little bit more inclusive. And trust me, I have had many debates on this with my very best friend growing up, and my grandma. Many late nights around the table hashing out our differences on this topic. And I'm going to tell you guys the craziest story that happened almost 4 years ago that made me pick up this most gigantic Bible you've ever seen, almost have it finished cover to cover. I went to church, Christmas and Easter, special occasions kind of thing. I had no idea what was in here. No idea. Anyways, I'm going to tell you the crazy story behind that. That's a whole other video unto itself that you guys won't want to miss. I'm going to also be talking about, I have grown exponentially in my gardening and my love for gardening, and I can't wait to bring you guys along this year. I started from just little backyard garden boxes, and it has blown up into a lot of square feet of gardening, but we will get more into that in other videos as we get into planning for gardening season. You guys, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Seeds are out, you guys. And you guys, I have gone down this deep down this rabbit hole of fermentation, kombucha, sauerkraut, apple cider vinegar, sourdough starter, and I just, like, I don't want to sound dramatic, but I'm not even joking. Start making sourdough bread, and you will understand the whole meaning of life. Like, I know, it sounds dramatic, but I'm just like, I understand colds and flus. I understand composting for my garden. I understand, like, I am serious when I say y'all need to learn how to make sourdough bread. And I feel like I have, like, I don't want to say mastered because that's bold, but oh my God, I have stuff to show you guys, and it is simple. They're making it more complicated on the internet and everywhere you've seen it than it actually is. It's so easy. And yeah, I'm going to teach you guys all of my tips and tricks, share recipes, have troubleshooting, and it's going to be so amazing. Anyways, I'm going to bring you guys along on that, and we're going to learn some things together, preserving food, canning food, how to feed yourself so that you are actually nourishing your body and you're actually able to strengthen and feel energy and do the things you want to do and keep yourself in your best health so that you can live to the fullest. Because I want to take in everything that life has to offer for as long as possible and be as well as I can for as long as possible. And you guys, for those of you who know me, you also know that I have a huge love for DIY projects. Exhibit A. My backdrop behind me. We are going to be doing this together. I'm going to make a video. I have plans for my office. This is why I had an office at my old house and I could just slink down when I had an idea and create a video, but I didn't have anything like that. And I have this, and I was like, I can't make videos with this as a backdrop. Like, this isn't what YouTube's about. This is what my channel is about. This is what it's going to be about. And I'm going to show you how to mud, tape, sand, paint, decorate, and it's going to be amazing. So basically, I am bringing, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know, I have my house account, I have my clothing account, I have my workout account, and I'm basically bringing it all under one umbrella is the term that I like to use, and bringing it all together as one amazing lifestyle channel, and just tie my clothing into it as well, which is going to be intentional with all the things I love that you guys love. And I just want to say that I am so grateful that you guys have stuck around. If you're new, I am so grateful for you, and if you are as excited as I am about this, I would just like welcome you to like this video, subscribe. That helps push the videos out on the algorithm. That will help this channel grow, create this amazing community of like-minded people where we can chat and visit in the comments. My plan is to post weekly on Thursday afternoons every week. So my next video is going to be 5 tips for starting a garden, even if you do not have a lot of space, because we are doing urban homesteading, you guys. And it is almost time to start seeds indoors. So we need to start planning. That's why we're getting it in a video next week. If you guys want to check out a couple other videos that I think you'll really love, this one is my 10 million view haircut that I did at home. And then this video right here is where we left off. You guys could check that out. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.